Take a moment to get comfortable. You don't need to sit perfectly. You don't need to do this right. Just allow your body to settle where it is. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. And for now, there's nothing to achieve. No goal, no destination, just this moment. Begin by noticing your breath, not changing it, not controlling it, just noticing that breathing is already happening without effort. Feel the air enter through your nose and leave again, in and out. If your mind starts talking, that's okay. You are not here to silence thoughts. You are here to notice without following. Bring your attention to the weight of your body. Notice where you are supported: the chair, the floor, the surface beneath you. Let yourself be held. With each exhale, allow your shoulders to soften. No forcing, just permission to release what you don't need right now. Notice your jaw. If it's tight, let it loosen slightly. Let your tongue rest. Let your face soften. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest, not to think, just to feel. There may be sensation, there may be nothing. Both are fine. As you breathe, imagine each inhale creating a little more space inside you, and each exhale releasing quiet tension. Thoughts may come, plans, memories, images. When they do, don't push them away. Simply notice them, like clouds passing through the sky. You are the sky, not the clouds. Gently return to the breath again and again. This is the practice. Now shift your attention to the feeling of being here, not who you are, not what you do, just the simple sense of being alive, aware, present. There is nothing missing in this moment, nothing to fix, nothing to prove. If the mind says, I am doing this wrong, notice that thought and let it pass. Awareness itself is enough. Rest here, breathing, observing, allowing. If emotion arise, let them be. You don't need to analyze them. Just notice how they move when given space. Each breath is an invitation to return. Now imagine that with every exhale, your body sinks a little deeper into relaxation, as if gravity is gently helping you let go. Feel the steadiness beneath all movement, the quiet presence that remains even when thoughts come and go. This presence does not rush, it does not judge, it simply is. Stay here for a few breaths. If your tension wanders, that's natural. Each time you notice, you are already back. Now begin to gently expand your awareness. Notice the space around your body, the room, the air, the sounds. Let them be part of the meditation. You don't need to block anything out. Everything is allowed. Take a deeper breath now. In and slowly out. Feel a sense of calm moving through you. Not force, not dramatic, just quiet clarity. Before we finish, know this: you can return to this state anytime with one breath, one pause. When you are ready, begin to gently bring movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and slowly open your eyes or lift your gaze. Carry this calm with you. Nothing to hold on to, nothing to chase, just awareness.